Paano mo nakilala si Harry Roque? So, a
Kaibigan po siya.
friend of Mr. Wu introduced Harry Roque.
Yes po,
Oh,
yung
so
una.
when was the time that you met Harry Roque?
Send na po siya.
Yung first meeting nyo, nung pinag-usapan nyo?
I-recall ko lang.
Harry Roque. That Baterna, that Kasiong, wala sa whirlwind. Yes, Kasiong, do you want to explain?
Yes po.
So in short,
Regarding the two company po, can I explain it po?
go.
Okay lang po. Kung hindi po, regarding sa two company po, Lucky South noon is sa amin po. And Wordwin. But nauna po i-registered ang Lucky South. Tapos sumunod ang Wordwin po. Yung time na yun,
So nauna yung Lucky South to be registered kaysa Whirlwind.
yes po.
But the contract, sublease contract, between the Cruz family, allegedly, the lease contract, but of course, the Cruz family denied that there is such thing as the lease contract, di ba? Kaya nga may kaso. Tama?
Opo, regarding naman sa lease contract po, kapirmahan po namin o kakontrata po namin si Mr. Cruz.
Yeah, yung tatay.
Opo.
I know. Now, but of course, may problema doon sa dokumento. Kasi your lease contract was based on the board reso, di ba? Giving authority to the father, kay Roberto Cruz.
Pwede ko po makita yung documents na po na yan. I'm not sure po eh.
But it was denied. Finorge yung mga perma doon ng mga anak ni Roberto Cruz. Because
Sa lease contract o contract to sell po?
and then yung contract to sell that was being claimed by the heirs, yung mga anak. But yung lease contract, which was where Whirlwind stands and Mr. Roberto Cruz was denied by the children.
Hindi po ako sure regarding dyan.
Oh, but anyway, so nauna yung Lucky South, then Whirlwind.
Yes po. Pero nabenta na po, na-i-transfer na si Lucky South sa other people na po. Last year, 2023, around September. Kung hindi po nagkakamali.
Na-transfer na nung 2023.
Tama po.
But the sublease that we are talking in which you signed for Whirlwind and Lucky South, ito yung mga original documents eh.
Yes po.
Yeah, we're talking here, we're just establishing, Miss Cassandra Ong, that yung Whirlwind at saka Lucky South, isa lang to. The same people. Tama?
Noong una po, yes po.
So you confirm?
Yes po,
Oh,
yung
so
una.
when was the time that you met Harry Roque? When was the time? Anong?
We met Harry Roque po.
Yes. Yes.
I think around 2022, after election, nung naging private citizen na po siya.
Yung first meeting nyo, nung pinag-usapan nyo?
Hindi ko na po masyado.
Paano? Hindi mo matandaan?
I-recall ko lang.
Oo. Paano mo nakilala si Harry Roque?
Pinakilala siya from Singaporean friend po sa amin.
Sinong Singaporean friend na yun?
Hindi ko po kilala. Kaibigan po siya ng ninong ko, si Mr. U. Mr. Duaran U.
So, a Singaporean
Kaibigan po siya.
friend of Mr. Wu introduced Harry Roque.
Pwede pa ulit po?
Yung Singaporean friend ni Mr. Wu ang nag-introduce kay Harry Roque?
Tama po.
O, so, common friend nila yung Singaporean.
Yes po, kung hindi
Okay.
po ako nagkakamali.
So, first meeting nandun ka.
Opo.
Anong pinag-usapan?
Nagpakilala lang po, casual dinner.
Tapos,
Wala na po.
the following, after nung first meeting nyo, may second meeting pa kayo? Nagkita pa ulit kayo?
Wala na po.
Wala na?
After ng first meeting, madalang na lang po kaming... To be exact is hindi po kami nag-uusap after first meeting.
Hindi, sinamahan ka pa nga sa pagkor
Yes
eh.
po. Ito, ina-explain ko po. Please give me time to explain po, Mr. Chair. Yeah. After nung first meeting, hindi po na masyadong nagkakaano. Nagkausap lang regarding, nagpatulong lang po.
Nagpatulong ka.
Opo.
But, eto po, Cassandra.
Yes po.
During the first meeting, nandun ka mismo sa meeting with the Singaporean friend and Mr. Wo.
Tama po.
Siyempre, kung nandun ka, narinig mo kung anong pinag-usapan.
Simpleng pakilala lang po. Simpleng casual
So, wala
din.
kayong pinag-usapan? Wala silang pinag-usapan?
Wala po.
And after that,
Kung
is
hindi po ako
Harry Roque-
nagkakamali, regarding po sa solar po ang... Sa solar po yata?
sa solar.
Opo.
Nag-materialize ba yung solar na yun?
Ngayon ko lang po naalala. Like what I said po, medyo nakalimutan ko na yung pangyayari kanina. Kahit
Napapanood mo bang hearing dito? Habang nag-hearing?
kailan po?
The other day, on the second hearing, napapanood mo ba?
The whole hearing po, hindi po. Pero may mga news po yata.
Anyway,
But not exact.
magkaalaman tayo pag nandito na si Harry Roque. But Mr. Chairman, again, I just like to manifest that itong whirlwind from the very start sa Lucky South is one and the same. Pareho po lahat, pati mga investors, no? Tapos paggamit ng mga tao. Sasagot ka?
Mr. Chair,
Sandali. Tapos na ba ako?
can kindly wrap up so that we can
Anyway,
acknowledge the other.
supposedly I will ask, mahaba to yung kay